Hello all. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create test suite and how to execute it. I have these three test cases ready for test suite creation. This test case test confirm appointment contains the steps related to the confirm appointment in the Cura Health website. Another test case contains the login steps of the same website. And the third test case contains the login details, login steps of Orange HRM website. Now we will create the test suite. Test suite is a collection of test cases. You can arrange your test cases in the test suite and execute it. So right click the test suite and you can create new folder, and in that folder you can create the test suite, or you can directly create the test suite. I will create the test suite directly. I will name this test suite as test suite 1. Now we will add our test cases in the test suite. For now, I will add all these test cases to the test suite. In add window, there is one more button, add and continue. So you can add the test cases in the suite and then you can continue adding it by selecting some more test cases. You can delete any of the test case you want by clicking the delete button. You can move the test cases upward or downward as per your requirement, as the execution of the test suite happens in a sequential basis. So if you shift this third test case to upwards, then the execution of test confirm appointment will be done first, then the test Orange HRM login, and then Cura Health login. Here in the run checkbox, if you uncheck this checkbox, then that test case will not be executed. This test case will be skipped from execution. Now only these two test cases will be executed. You can skip the test case execution by unchecking it from this run checkbox. As I explained to you in my earlier tutorial about profiles, you can select the desired profile for the test suite by clicking this drop down. To know more about profiles, watch my tutorial Catlon Studio Profiles. I have also shared the link in the description below. Consider subscribing to my channel to learn Catlon Studio in detail. I will select this profile, prot.env, and to run, I will click the run button. You can select the desired browser for execution. Execution is started. Now this will execute the test cases added in the test suite in sequential manner. It will not execute the unchecked test case from the given test suite. It has directly started executing the second test case of test Orange HRM login. Now it started the second test case execution of login to Cura Health login. And it executed both the test cases. Runs are 2 out of 2 and pass are 2. This way you can create test suite having different test cases and execute them sequentially one by one in the test suite. The default Catalan test suite results get generated here. So if you click on this tab, you will be able to see the summary of the execution. So here is the test suite ID, the host name, the total test cases run, past test cases, failed test cases, errors and incomplete test cases. Also, you will be able to know about the operating system, platform or the browser used, the start time for the execution, the end time for the test execution, and the elapsed time means what time it has taken for complete execution. The next tab of results is execution settings. Here in this tab, you will find the details about the project settings which we have done. Here you will find the execution profile used, then the action delay, proxy settings, then the default failure handling, and about the report settings that we have done. And I have shown you in the project settings, we have done the report settings, whether we want the video or not, video format, video quality. All these are displayed after the execution in the result. Above here in the results tab, test case table is given. Here you see the test cases which are executed. It shows only those test cases which are executed. You can select these above checkbox to filter the test cases. For example, now here the pass checkbox is checked. Therefore, only past test cases are showing. If you uncheck this, it will not show any test cases because we have not checked any of these. If you check the failed, we do not have any failed test cases, so it will not show failed test cases. If you have any failed test case, it will show here. Similar way, if you check the error checkbox, it will show error, and if you check incomplete text box, it will show the incomplete test cases. Here you will get the video of the executed test case. If you click this button, you will be able to open the video. If you click this show test case details button, you will get the test case details. Click one of the test case and you will find all the steps of these test case and the information about it. Here again you will find the same checkboxes which you have seen over here in the test case table. This is test case log. If you click one of the step, you will find the details below about this step. You can hide the test case details or test case logs by clicking this button again, hide test case details. This was about the report, the default report generated by Catalan Studio. We will learn about generating the reports in the different formats and reading those reports in detail in my another tutorial about reports. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, then please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Thank you.